Oracle is one of my favorite features that you should be using in StocksToTrade, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get started and really use it to help advance your trading. Oracle is one of my favorite StocksToTrade features, mainly because it really gives you a shortcut to doing all of this due diligence that I talk about all the time in these videos. You know, there is a process, there's a lot of work. You know, if anybody tells you trading stocks is easy, run away as fast as you can. There's a lot of work, there's a lot of due diligence that needs to be put in, every day, every week, sometimes every hour if it's a really busy day. But the greatest thing about Oracle is it shortens that process to as short of a time frame and a window as possible, okay? Oracle will not, magically make you a millionaire overnight, but what it can do is get you to that point where you're down to 15 stocks that have the most potential to trade on the day. They've run in the past. Most of them have news, all of these criteria we look for as day traders, and all with one click, that watch list is built. You'll see it populate right in front of you. Now, you start doing your due diligence, you look at your charts, and then you can match up what's called the Oracle levels. These are support and resistance levels on the chart, these key levels we look at as technical traders, and then it gives you potential entries as well as exits on the long and short side. So now, your two biggest impediments, or your two biggest things that slow you down in getting your work done each day as a day trader or swing trader, is taking 16,000 stocks down to a small list, then taking that small list down to those 1 or 2 or 3 stocks you're looking to trade each day. One click, Oracle takes 16,000 stocks down to 15. You then spend a few moments to look at the charts, look at the news. You can take 15 down to those 2 or 3. If you're a new trader or an intermediate trader and you're trying to focus on more than 2 or 3 volatile stocks a day, I think you're crazy. I don't do that. Some of the greats like Tim Grattani, Tim Sykes, Stephen Dux, they're not following more than 2 or 3 stocks a day. Your goal is to get down from 16 to that small handful as quickly as possible. Oracle allows you to do that. By making that Oracle bar, that pre-configured, pre-planned technical levels for entries and exits, now as you go from 16,000 to 15 to 2 or 3, you can pick your favorite of the day. Whatever that stock is, you can now use the Oracle bar to see those key support and resistance levels, as well as breakout levels, as well as areas you should look to stop out. Remember, no trade plan is complete without a stop. If you're entering a trade without a stop loss in mind, your odds of success are exponentially lower. Some of the most successful traders out there win 50, 60% of the time. They don't win 90, 95% of the time. Nobody in long term has that kind of win rate. You got to know when to exit for stops, for losses, as well as you need to know when to exit for gains. It's one thing to say, I want to buy this stock at X, but you got to know where you're going to stop out at Y and where you're going to take your profits at Z. Many new traders will exit trades too early. They won't maximize their profits, or they will let the stock run, get greedy, stock pulls all the way back, because remember, these stocks are big movers. That's what allows us to make 20, 30, 50% or more in a day. But if you're letting that stock go in your favor, then come back because you don't know when to exit, next thing you know, you've now turned a winning trade into a break-even trade, or what I see quite frequently with new traders is you turn a winning trade into a losing trade. The last aspect of Oracle that I love is it gives you that area that you should be looking to take profits. So now there's no guessing left. You've got your stop configured, you've got your entry configured, and you've got your goal configured. You don't become what we all joke about in trading, the bag holder, the guy or the gal that turned a winning trade into a losing trade, because now you're smart with your exits, even on the profit side. It's one thing to say, I'm just going to trade a stock and make some money. It's another thing to have a smart exit planned. Oracle does that for you. So again, make sure you're using Oracle, whether you're new, intermediate, or advanced. I think it's a great tool. If you've had good success, be sure to comment below. We'd like to hear how you're applying it. It is a tool that can be catered to almost any trading style. And as always, please be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified next time we post a video. Hey everyone, lead trainer with Stocks to Trade, Tim Bohen here. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We really want to help you learn, grow, and evolve and become a consistently profitable trader. We're proud of the tools we built in Stocks to Trade and want to help you maximize your success. Be sure to check out the other videos over there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.